driving?
We are off to Heathcote Raceway. To watch HOLDEN Nationals. Which is the whole reason we came down to Victoria. It looks like it's a beautiful day, so it looks like it's going to be a really good day.
Yeah. Just for our viewers, mate, what's Nationals?
HOLDEN Nationals is basically, for any American viewers, Holden is an Australian icon, and the HOLDEN Nationals is about getting everything Holden powered, and putting it on the drag track and seeing how quick they go. And there are some bloody quick ones going to this one, so it should be interesting.
How quick are we talking?
I think they should run as low as, if the track's prepped enough, they should run as low as into the sevens.
Sevens?
Which is pretty quick over the quarter mile.
That's just like the FJ down the dirt track.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, the FJ is faster than that. But
4 metres,
maybe
7 seconds and 4 metres.
But yeah, we should get some really good footage today. So I hope you guys enjoy it, follow along, and make sure you like and share the video. Yeah. How was the day at the drags?
Pretty good, mate.
Pretty good.
There's some really cool cars here.
There are some really cool cars. Really quick cars.
What's your favourite?
Oh god. Probably that Tirana.
You gotta pick one.
As you can hear, they're going at it again.
It's insane. They just keep pumping drag after drag. It's cool.
Yeah, they're really good at East Coast's really good at getting cars through really quick, which is really good. But yeah, it's been an awesome day. It's bloody hot. We're not sure if it's freaking Queensland or Victoria.
Doesn't do too good with my fair skin, so if I look a bit red.
We're both probably a little bit sunburnt, but I've got the old Shimano. Keep me from getting
Safety
sunburnt.
First, wear the hat backwards. It's all about I don't know.
The neck
stance.
not getting burnt.
Yeah, something like that.
No, but we've got to head home, unfortunately, back to Melbourne. We're here till tomorrow, then we fly back to Queensland. But yeah, we got a heap of footage today.
You got heaps.
So I hope you enjoy the video from today. And
Hey, just before we finish, maybe next year we'll have the HG here.
maybe next year we'll have
Maybe.
a HG here. My
Maybe.
HGU.
We can get some sponsors and some funding. We'll push to get Gasco's tough HG here.
Yeah, if we can get some sponsors for
right.
that, we might come. But yeah,
2 young blokes from Queensland.
we'll see what
Taking
happens.
on the big boys.
We'll see what happens. But no, there's lots of tough cars, and hope you enjoy the footage.
All right, let's go. These flies are killing me.
Yeah, the flies are bloody ridiculous down here.
Laters.
See you guys.